Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lock type so you know which screws and detents to expect. Once identified, remove visible trim screws. Handle rosette or faceplate first and keep them organized. Use a flat screwdriver to gently pry covers. Do not force. You can damage plating. If a retaining clip appears, slide it out with needle nose pliers. Make sure the latch is retracted so the handle is free. If it binds, wiggle gently while undoing the next fastener. Once the trim is off, you pull the handle or lever straight while supporting the opposite side to prevent dropping internal parts. Next, locate and remove the cylinder retaining screw, often on the edge at the 6 o'clock position, and slide the cylinder out. You need a straight pull to avoid scraping the bore. Then withdraw the latch assembly from the door edge, noting its orientation and any spacers or shims. Keep those parts in order, because the reinstallation depends on exact positioning. To finish, inspect the bore and strike plate for damage and measure back set so the new set fits. Replace any worn screws. Install new latch aligned with hole, then slide in cylinder and reinstall trim screws, tighten evenly. Once done, test the lock through several cycles, making sure it moves smoothly and aligns with the strike. If the cylinder binds, apply a drop of penetrating oil, tap lightly with a soft mallet, and try a slightly different angle to free a stuck part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.